Guys, welcome to Anika's channel. Today I will show my sleep day dress. I will show this is my dress. Look, I'm gonna wear this dress and I will show you how I wear this sleep dress in 5 ways. So let's get started. Guys, I first paired with this sleep dress with my off shoulder top, and if you have this type of sleep dress, then you can pair with white t-shirt or white top. I'm dancing so don't mind it. And you can go in party or mall or college. It look amazing, guys. So please, if you like, now I will pair up with this cute top. So I just paired with this crop top with this sleep dress. Look how cute dress it became. Wow, I just love this t-shirt. Look, I will show you how amazing it is. I have got this from Mumbai, Bandra. I just paired with this dress with jeans. If you wanna go in public area, then you can wear this type of dress. This I just paired with this sleeve dress with simple t-shirt. Look at this dress become so cute. I have seen lot of Korean actress wore this type of dress in Korean drama. Have you seen this type of dress in Korean drama? Please comment me down. And you can also pair with this type of slip dress in any color, or any color of this type of t-shirt, simple t-shirt. It will become good dress. So guys, hey guys, I just paired this sleeve dress with jacket and long skirt. If you have informal days in your office, then you can pair with also any kind of jacket or skirt. You are good to go in any parties. So guys, please take care of yourself. Bye. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos. Okay, thank you.